Please follow the written instructions that came with your ShowerStick, or watch the ShowerStick installation video of the shower arm mount with the angle connector. Clean off any media on the exterior of the KDF filter, and be sure the washer is pushed up and is lying flat. Wrap plumber's tape clockwise 7 times around the male threaded end. Be sure not to skip this step because it will prevent leakage. Attach this end to the assembly by hand and just snug. It won't screw all the way up the threads, and it's very important not to over-tighten this part because it could break. Now turn on the water slowly at this point to check to see if there's any leakage before you attach the ShowerStick. Continue with the written instructions that came with your ShowerStick or our ShowerStick installation video instructions to finish the installation of the ShowerStick. The KDF filter should be replaced yearly, or sooner if you begin to smell the presence of chlorine. If you choose not to replace it when needed, then you should remove it because it can become clogged, which can reduce your water pressure. You can set a yearly recurring reminder on your phone to remind you to remove or replace it.